Accelerate digital transformation and establish seamless identity management using ServiceNow solutions and Microsoft Azure Active Directory. Improve business process and automate incident management, password resets, and more. Give new employees a great first-day experience by granting them the information and system access they need to be productive from anywhere. HR, IT, and hiring managers can quickly automate and provision relevant applications for new employees, or revoke access to relevant applications when employees depart or change roles. Modernize and secure IT services with identity-driven security. Get seamless access with single sign-on to ServiceNow, and apply risk-based access policies for enhanced security. Transform your workflows securely with solutions from ServiceNow and Microsoft Azure Active Directory. We make work flow.